The Midwest Overland and Off-Road Expo, also known as MORE, brings the Overland Nation together under one roof at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds. The expo brings like-minded people together. It's about travel. It's about meeting old friends and making many new ones. It's about fun and making memories. MORE is more than just an expo. Join me as I share my story about MORE of 2022.
It is a rainy and dreary day, but I'm happy because today is Wednesday, but not just any Wednesday, the Wednesday before MORE of 2022. And I am so excited to get down there.
My plan was to get an early start on the travels, load up and start heading south. A, to take some miles off the long trip, and B, I was just too excited to wait another day. But first, a quick detour, which is becoming a bit of a tradition when heading south.
I'd be remiss if I didn't stop at Mullen's Cheese. So good. Bring it down to the friends. Think I got enough cheese? Alright, so I got my bag full of cheese. Let's throw it in the fridge and get back on the road.
Heading south were exhausting, constantly fighting the steering wheel as the gusts come from all different directions. But at least I got some breaks getting gas. Often.
So the fun part about having a Jeep with 35-inch tires, pulling a trailer, and a rooftop tent is you get to stop for gas a lot.
After draining my wallet with liquid gold, the day quickly turned to night and it was time for me to turn in. I'm a bit of a creature of habit, so I headed to a familiar camp called Camp A While in Lincoln, Illinois for some shut-eye. But the winds that night had some other ideas.
Well, good morning. Last night was windy, so I ended up spending the night at Camp A While. Met up with Todd and Eric, so they're two kind of hosts of the place. Again, I stayed here last time when I was heading down to the Ozarks. Really cool. It's just a quick little campsite about halfway in between the two areas down in Missouri, so that would be a good spot. But it was windy. Broke a pole, had the little thing flapping. To be honest, it was not the best night's sleep, so let's get some coffee.
Fully caffeinated with my morning coffee, my thoughts now clear and my excitement grew as the sun rose from the horizon. Soon the miles in front of me were far less than those behind me, and I was able to meet up with Todd and Carol from TC Teardrops to finish the journey to the expo.
Alright, it is Thursday before the opening tomorrow, Friday, of MORE 2022. So all the vendors are in here, they're setting up, they are excited to see you, and they're excited to talk to everybody. This is really cool. Lots of noise going on, lots of stuff happening.
As the vendors set up, you could feel the electricity start to build. I could hardly wait to see what tomorrow would bring. Sleep will be tough tonight with this much energy in the air.
So it is Friday morning, and I have to admit, I'm pretty excited for this event to get going. So, oh my gosh. It is very windy though, still windy. Windy this whole weekend. But we are set up in the storyteller's booth. So we're right up front entrance right there. Doors open at 10 a.m. this morning, and everyone's gonna come rushing in, and I'm telling you what, that place is going to be bumping with people. So it's really exciting. So I'm up here, got myself, got Jason with All Things Overland. There's some other guys setting up down here, Matt with Ozark Overland Adventures. There's a whole group of people running down this way. So it's gonna be really awesome, so stay tuned. It is 9 a.m. and doors open up at 10. This place is going to be slammed with people, and there are vendors everywhere. Anniversary?
This is my, it's recording right now, so he can just add it.
You want me to set up?
So we're here with Matt Frey, so.
I'll take the camera.
All right.
You take that.
Oh my gosh, what's going on? There's like some hand
stand over here, come on.
I gotta go over here?
Yeah,
oh yeah,
right
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, of course.
I'll let Todd do the talking though.
This is our official anniversary, you know.
It is.
No, it's a man-iversary.
Anniversary.
It is. Oh, hey, look at that.
Yeah.
Little
So
new headgear for you.
Matchy.
We like to match. I'm actually a hat guy, I don't know if you know this.
Yeah.
I hadn't
right?
noticed, but
Oh, you got it right too. How's it look?
there you
how's it
go.
look?
That's awesome.
1 year ago, more expo. These
This is
two.
it.
I ain't kissing you.
As you approach the front door, the excitement builds. And you're greeted with friendly smiles and blessed with countless companies that love the outdoors as much as you do and are motivated to support your adventure needs. Companies like Red Arc, Got Your Six Coffee, to name a few, and companies like Zargus, Overland Addict, Long Creek Overland, New Holland Overland, TC Teardrops, Action Tracks, Bead Lockers, and so many more.
Alright, so I'm outside. It's a little chilly outside, but I think I took a little break, and it's time for a little coffee. So warm the soul and get back in there, but it's gonna be good.
Avalanche is coming. Yeah, I don't even hear a sound. I'ma keep on running. I'm never gonna come back down. 'Cause if we never stop, tell me how they gonna get to us. Yeah, we can climb the rocks, see the bottom through a cloud of dust.
What a great day for coffee.
I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't a little tired after the first day of more, but sitting in some nice lounge chairs and taking in the live music was a great way to finish off the day.
How's that? You're a little crooked? Let's see if I can fix that. You're a little crooked. Look at Get you nice and low. Look better? Eh. Alright, so let me tell you a little story. So last night I made a last minute hotel reservations. I go to the hotel and, oh, it's like through an online service, right? So I go to the hotel and it was the wrong hotel. That was my mistake. So I'm like, oh. So I find the right hotel, go to the right hotel. I go to the front desk, I say, hey, here to check in. Checked in through an online service. I'm like, sorry sir, we're overbooked by like 9 people. There's no more room. So I was like, well, that's a real bummer. She said, call the service that I had called and then see what they could do. So I called that service. Was on hold for like 15 minutes. Took forever. And I mean, at the end of the day, I could just sleep in my rooftop tent, but I was being lazy and I wanted to sleep in a hotel and get a hot shower. So anyways, I waited. They finally called back and said, hey, we don't have any room in that hotel, but we got room in this other hotel. It's on the other end of town. Not a big deal. And we'll comp you the room. So I said, all right, not so bad. So I got a room for free. And now I'm just waiting for the doors to get rolling. I think it opens up at 9. I'm pretty sure it's 9 today. And the day is looking awesome. So I do plan to spend some more time outside. Hopefully meet and greet some people as they come in. But yeah, maybe do some more filming inside. Maybe do a quick walk around with Todd with TC Teardrops. Do something like that. So I don't know. It's been a good day. I'm excited.
After a quick tour completed by Todd and Carol with their ISO model Teardrop, I headed outside to take in this amazing day. Soak up the sun, hang with fellow storytellers, and socialize with many like-minded people. I could not ask for a better day.
More of 2022 did not disappoint. I had so much fun. And today it was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The sun was out. I spent the majority of the day in the storyteller booth, hanging out with fellow YouTubers and many people that stopped by and talked, overlanding, talked campers, talked camping with the kids. I really did appreciate all those conversations that I had. But for me, I'm gonna hit the road. I got a long trip back to Wisconsin. I appreciate the hospitality down here. It was exceptional. And but I'm gonna hit the road, see my wife and kids, and get back to Wisconsin for some more adventures. Thanks for watching Fries on the Side.